What's going on out there, my good people? Shit, come with me. Let's do a daily inspection on this 890 Hitachi excavator. Yeah, baby. That's that big boy. You know what I mean? Bam. So first thing I like to do is I always like to check my teeth, man. Make sure your teeth ain't gouged. Make sure your welds ain't broken through here. Of course, check your H-links. Make sure your H-links are all good. Make sure none of the pins and them are worn out. Make sure none of these are backed out. Right? Check your hoses. Make sure you ain't got no leaks coming out your hoses. Your lines for your grease fittings. Check them bad boys. You know, everything. Make sure your cylinder's looking good. Again, check all your pins, all that crap, man. Checking your cylinders as well. Make sure you're on the lookout for your cylinders. Make sure your cylinders look in good condition. Just for reference, y'all see how big this motherfucker is. I'm barely up to the tracks. All right. Check the fucking check all your rollers and your sprockets. Right. Check all your sprockets and your rollers. Make sure the rollers look good. Check your drive line. Make sure none of your bolts are missing off of there. All right. Check the counterweight. You're obviously gonna have some scratching on the back of it. I might have done one or two of those scratches, but the vast majority of them weren't me. I'm hardly out here. I'm out here sometimes. Always check under here. Make sure you ain't got no leaking fluid. Right. Yep. Make sure ain't nothing come falling out from your spin bearings and shit. Check your spin bearing. Your disc board for your spin bearings, right? Yeah, nothing fancy. Just throwing a walk around. Again, like I said, you're not looking for anything out the ordinary, man. Any of your roller bolts might be missing. Any of the bolts on your drivetrain might be missing. Sprocket looks fucked up. Address it. Bring it to somebody's attention. No more than likely tell you to run it like that. That's what you do. You're basically gonna come up here and do the same thing, right? Going back here in the inside to the back. Oh, I need the fucking key. Guess this motherfucker must be childproof or something. Alright, after some determination, we got it. So again, we're looking for anything out the ordinary. Kind of leaks that you might see. Any wires might be loose, hanging. Again, anything out the ordinary. Oh, I forgot my rag. I usually want to check your hydraulics. Looks like that one's gonna be a little low. Check your hydraulics. Definitely gonna need a little bit of hydraulic fluid. Alright, and after you fight with that and get done with that, make your way into here. Yep, that's how big this motherfucker is. It got a door of its own just to get into the fucking engine bay and shit. Check your hydraulic levels. Check your filters. Again, you're looking for leaks or anything out the ordinary. Right. Now I definitely smell some hydraulic fluid. I think something's leaking, but what do I know? Just a butt monkey. God dang, this thing's childproof, dude. Can't seem to get these motherfuckers open. Alright, again, back. You gotta be a little persistent sometimes, and that's alright. So now that we found our way in here, opened up these double doors. Again, you're looking for any leaks, any wires that might be disconnected. Okay. I mean, everything looks good in here in the engine bay. All right. Let's go ahead and get this closed up. Now, somewhere you should have a log, a checklist of some sort that's going to tell you what to check and what you're looking for. But ideally, you're just looking for anything out the ordinary, dude. Okay, if you come into this compartment down here, you definitely want to check your hydraulic oil for your swing bearings. Probably not a good idea to step on all that shit. Don't neglect this other one. Oh, these motherfuckers are all the way down in there. Okay. So one's low and one has some. So you're probably wondering why there's two of them here when most excavators usually only have one. This machine's so big, it's going to use one for the swing bearings, for the swing disc, one for the tracks. So yeah, that's the gist of it, guys. We've already checked and opened all compartments, your fuel level gauge, check your lights and stuff. Other than that, you got a few more compartments for like depth. Other things like that. Box. But yeah, guys, that's it, fellas. That's the gist of it. All right, y'all old heads, don't get mad at me for jumping off this excavator. But yeah, that's it, baby boy. That's the way I do it, guys. That's the way I check my machine. I ain't gonna lie, I don't do it every single day like that thorough of a check. Every day I do my walk-arounds. Every day I do my walk-arounds, guys. That's mandatory for me, whether I was on the machine last night at 8 o'clock and came back in at fucking 5 in the morning, nobody was on it. I'm gonna check my shit. Shit happens overnight. I've seen it. So just check your shit, guys. Double check it. If something don't look right, report it. Tell your boss. They're more than likely gonna tell you just to run it like that. But going on here, me and Big Bertha over here just getting it. Right? We over here dealing with this shot rock. As you can see, massive pile of shot rock. Right? All this has already been installed. That's how high we're coming up, guys. Can't really tell y'all who the client is or nothing like that. I wish I could. Maybe in the future, a few years from now, after we're out of here and pulled out, maybe I can tell y'all who the client is. Can't really disclose the location or nothing like that, but that's it, guys. Look at it. That's it. That's how we do it here. We're getting it. Uh-oh. Forgot a compartment door open. Knocking off. Look at me. Fellas, I'll let y'all get to it. I'm sure y'all motherfuckers is out there busy. Let's see y'all on the next video, man. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, whatever y'all want to do. Comment. If I'm missing something, shit, let me know. Just trying to help the future operators that don't have no guidance yet. All right, guys. Over and out.